Hello, everybody. Robert back here with more Revit training. We had another question. I'm moving on with this little project of mine, starting on the second floor and seeing how two bedrooms are going to work out. So far, I don't know. But anyway, we had a question about global parameters. Now, you can create global parameters and do a lot of different things with them, man. I mean, they're really great. So we're going to just show here. Now, I've got my first floor done in. What I haven't done is I haven't really dimensioned out the doors. They're kind of all over the place here. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at global parameters and do several different things and show how they work. Okay, so for instance, let's just go drop some dimensions in here. Um, we go from here to here. This one's only 7 inches, and I want to do one from here to here. We're going to go off the center line. So we got two different there. See, this is what's now okay. We got one here. So they're all over the place really right now. So how this all works is, yeah, place one there, center line one there. I'm not sure what's going to be a good dimension, but we're going to start out with something simple. And being it's okay. So now we might even do one here as well at the doors. No, maybe not. Let's just concentrate on the interior walls. We might make a special one for the exterior. So I'm going to just delete that one there. So now, global parameters are very simple. I'll add a few here downstairs as well. So what happens with global parameters? They're just okay. Come on now, there to there, 8 inches there. Okay. Oops. So what we have to do is decide or determine what distance are we going to use. So how we do that, a global parameter, very simple. We go under the Manage tab here, and we select global parameters. Now here we get this little dialog box here, and then we want to go down and we want to say, we want to create a new global parameter here. And here we give it a name, so let's call this door jams. Okay, so it says door jam offsets. Or whatever you want to call this here. We'll say okay, and it's a length it's a length parameter. It's common, and here it's going to be dimension. So I'm just say okay. Now here we need to give it a value. So let's just tinker around with this for a minute. Let's say a foot. Let's try a foot here. We'll apply. Okay. So now all you have to do here is basically say from here to here. I don't know if this is going to work. I'll select this guy, and I'll go into my properties where it says label here, and I'll just drop that down to global parameter. Now that looks like it's going to be a bit big or whatever. So we can always select this guy, this little pencil here, and we can edit this. Let's say 9 inches for now. Apply. Okay, how does that look? Okay, that looks a little better. So we'll go with this one here. We'll go label, door jam. Same with this one. Label, door jam. So we'll make all our door jams 9 inches. So, and it's just simply going here where we created this parameter. And this is going to work for all of them, thank goodness. Oh my goodness. So we go, just select it here and select the door jam. Or you can do something like this. You can go and right click it and we go to label and select that and door jam. Okay. So there's all the ones for the first level. And now let's go out and create, okay, let's do upstairs as well. I'm gonna go here to the door jam there, and let's go from center line to here. And with this, you get the program. I did a video like this before. I don't know, it's old. I don't know, I may have or may not. But this is how you do global parameters. They're pretty sweet. So I'm gonna select this one here. Select it, and I'll go with the door jamb to pick up that 9 inches. Okay. So we've got all our door jambs selected, and we can also we can label these. So I can select this guy and hit a little box. So I can show the title and the view the label. I mean, that's not pretty necessary, but do have that option. Now let's go and look at a few more parameters, or that we can create. So for instance, I'm going to go and look at my these bays. Actually, let's just go drop some dimensions here. And I'll select one from here to there. Oh, these are all the same. Okay. Which is probably a good thing. But we have the option to, for instance, I'm going to go and I'm going to create a new global parameter, and I'm going to say from grid line this time. So all we have to do this is basically, again, go to your global parameter under the Manage tab. You can make as many as these you want. Global parameters. I'm going to create a new one here. I'm going to play bay. I'm going to say grid spacing, grid distance, or whatever you want. Okay. Again, that's length, and we're going to go okay. And so right now we're sitting at 12 feet. So let's say we want to make these at 12.6. Hit apply. Okay. And all we do at this point is you select it. Okay, sorry. There we go, grid distance. So you see all the grids adjusted. They didn't take the walls with them, but that's okay. We can edit this guy and go back to 12 feet. So I think you all get the concept of global parameters. You just use the Manage tab, and in the Manage tab, select global parameters, and you can create as many of these as you want. So, for instance, I'm not going to make any more, but let's do one from, say, door to, let's go with door to window. Yeah, got a little discrepancy here. So I'm going to go with this. I'm going to go with a new parameter here. Go to new, and I'm going to go door to window. This should be the same, so that's why we'll make it a parameter. We'll be length and okay. And here we're going to go with I don't know. Let's start out with 3 feet. Well, let's go with 4, because I don't know, I should have measured that. Apply. And then the good thing about it, we can always edit it. So I'm going to do a dimension line from here to the center line of window. Okay, so now let's select it. We made our global parameter here. here we got 4 feet. That's not going to work for us so well, so we're going to edit this, and let's make this 5. Make it 4. So we can play around with this guy. So make it 4 here, apply. Nope, 5 or 6. Okay. So now what I can do here, I can go to each of these windows on both floors. Dimension line here, here. And I'll select this line here. We can right click and go to labels. Where are you? Select it, right click. Okay. So let's just do it from here. We got our labels here, and we go to door to window. And that's 6 feet. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I just wanted to share this quick video on how to use global parameters. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody, please be safe and please subscribe and select the notification bell so you'll know whenever I make videos. Okay, everybody, bye.